cheeks of the hen. Okay, so we have start our textbook page number 34. I explain you the lesson, right? There was a hen. Once upon a time there was a one hen. She had two cheeks. How many cheeks? Two cheeks. Lalu and Pilu. The name of the chicks were Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. Lalu was red in color. He loved red things. So she loved only and only red thing. Okay. Pilu was yellow. The color of Pilu is yellow. So he loved only yellow things. Right? Both the cheek is there and one color is the red and one is the color yellow. The red color has the name Lalu and the name which has the Pilu is color of yellow. Okay? So Lalu loved red thing and Pilu loved yellow thing. What's happened one day? One day a Pilu saw a plant and on a plant, something on a plant, it was red. One day the Lalu has seen one plant and on the plant he saw a red color thing. Then Lalu can't think anything and nothing to think and they just only he loved the red thing. So whatever is on the plant, he ate up. Right? Now, oh no, it was a red chili. And what is on the plant? It is the chili. Nothing has to, they had to think and just ate up and nothing to see which is there. But just like the color only, the Lalu has ate the things and then after eating, she think, oh no, it is the chili, I ate up the chili. Then the mouth of the Lalu is burning, it is too hot, right? So mouth is suddenly burning and she screamed or then after shouting loudly and loudly, my mouth is burning, it is too heat. I ate up the red chili. I love the chili, so I have to eat up the chili. My mouth is burning. Then mother hen come running. Then after listening the sound of the Lalu, the mother came hurrying. Pilu come too. Pilu also came. Now Pilu said, I get something for you. While the herd of the shouting of the Lalu, Pilu found something and he brought for the Lalu. Pilu brought a yellow laddu because Pilu has loved the yellow thing. So Pilu found the laddu and Pilu brought the laddu for the Lalu. Okay, Lalu glowed up the laddu and suddenly the Lalu take the yellow laddu. Only and only Lalu has to love the red thing. He ate only the red thing, but mouth is burning. So Pilu bring the yellow color laddu. Then after Lalu ate up, glowed the yellow laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Now the Lalu has some relaxation. So Lalu has some stop the burning of the mouth. Mother hen and Lalu kiss the Pilu and then after all the mother, Lalu, Pilu all are the very happy and Lalu and mother catch the Pilu and kiss on the cheek of the Pilu. This is the very good lovely story about the Lalu and Pilu. Okay, understood children? Now look at here, write the correct option. How many cheeks had the hen? How many cheeks? 1, 3, 2. It is the 2 cheeks. So underline below the 2 and here you write the option C. Right? have to write option here B, and here we write the Pilu. Okay. Now Lalu loved blank thing. What type of the thing Lalu loved? It is the red, orange, yellow, blue. Then Lalu loved only the red things. We have to underline below the red, and here we write the red, and option is the A. Okay. Now Pilu loved blank things. 6 number. What type of the things Pilu loved? It is the blue, orange, red, yellow. Then what type of the things here Pilu loved? It is the yellow thing, right? So we have to write here yellow, and we write the option D also, right? Okay. Now who was yellow? Who was yellow? Lalu, mother, Pilu. Who was the yellow? It is the Pilu. So we have to write here option C. Pilu was yellow. Who was red? Who was the red? Mother, Lalu and Pilu. Pilu, and option D is Lalu. Then Lalu was red. So we have to write here Lalu. Right? Now what did Lalu eat? A red apple, a red chili, a red tomato, a yellow chili. What did the Lalu eat? Lalu eat a red chili. Right? We have to do underline below the red chili, and we write the option here B. Okay, understood children? Now this is the revision of the lesson number 3, and 4 and 5 lesson I have already explained you. Okay, is it clear? Yes, now your syllabus is complete, and revision also we are explaining all the lesson. Right? Okay, bye.